Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a 3D effects using Adobe Photoshop. First thing, we're gonna duplicate the layer, unlock it and duplicate 3 copies. Then select the part above and blend options and check G and B. Then uncheck R and B. Then uncheck R and G. Then move them a little bit in a different positions like this. Okay, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to encourage us make more content like this. Thanks for watching.